output 1. So whenever 0, 0, if you convert 0, 0 into decimal, it is 0 only. So in the Q0, output line will be high, other will be the low one. Similarly, 0, 1, convert into a decimal, 1. So Q1, if A is 1, B is 0, decimal conversion is 2 in this way. So we will see a diagonal type of 1 we are going to get in our truth table. So this is the truth table of a decoder. We are decoding this thing. Means this particular output is high, where our information is going to be displayed. Now you will see now according to column, see this third column, Q0 column. In Q0 column, how many rows we have high value? Only one row, this first one, right? So we are going to consider this first one, Q0 ke liye, we are going to consider this particular row only. Okay. So A is 0, B is 0. Normally we are going to always prefer SOP format. So we are going to write A bar, B bar. So Q0 value will be A bar and B bar. A bar, B bar. Now coming to Q1, again check this column, Q1 column. Only one value is high. If multiple rows value is high, then you have to write according to that. Assume in this Q0, if this third row is 1, so we have to write A bar, B bar plus A, B bar. But over it, this is not the scenario. For Q1 also, this particular line is high, so this is A bar and B. A bar, B for Q1. Now coming to the Q2, same A, B bar. As from these expressions, I think you can design or implement a circuit. So let's see, and you are going to implement. We'll see this same thing in the simulation part as well. So over here also, you will see we have to input A and B, and these are our 4 output sessions present. Now Q0 is A bar, B bar, so according to that we have to connect with the AND gate, because in between A bar, B bar we have a dot, so AND gate, and in this way. Is there any doubt in this circuit? I know Aisha ma'am has explained this thing, so I'm going to back to the simulation part. Okay, for any doubt you can ask. Now coming to the simulation part, I'm going to give you this link in your WhatsApp group. So over here, okay, those who don't know, this is a resistance, this is the LED. We use resistance for controlling the flow so that our LED is not going to burn. And yes, this is a NOT gate. Okay, NOT gate ICs. In NOT gate ICs is a hexa. 6 NOT gates are present, and this is an AND gate. And using this, we can have it. Always put your power on, else we are not going to use our circuit. Now, initially I have A is 0, B is 0. If A is 0, B is 0, it means Q is 0. I know many of you learn how to use simulation, but some of the students, for those I'm going to explain again how to use the simulation. Now if we're going to, you have to take the screenshot. So if I'm going to put A as high, means green means high, and B is 0. A is 1, B is 0, means it is 2. A is the MSB 1, B is the LSB. That's why Q2 is glowing LED. In the same way, if I'm going to put on these 2 inputs, means high, 1 and 1, Q3 is going to glow. And this is the scenario, so Q1 is going to glow. Okay, so in this way you can see whatever we have explained. Key 2:4 decoder. This is the truth table, and this is the internal circuit. This is the internal circuit, and this is the basic circuit. Okay, so is there any doubt? in this explanation, students?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so easy one, decoder, and you have Aisha ma'am is going to explain the multiplexer, and yes, you have to do this. Is Aisha, this is the third assignment or what?
This is the fourth.
Okay, fourth. Okay, so Aisha, is it okay, or any other points I have to add in the decoder part?
Nah. I think kafi.
Okay, so over to Aisha for the multiplexer.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Multiplexer. I'm really hoping multiplexer. Everyone remembers what is multiplexer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is a multiplexer? What does it do? How many input lines? How many output lines? Just brief me about it very quickly. Anyone? How many input lines are there in a multiplexer? What are the output lines in a multiplexer? Are there any select lines in a multiplexer?
Ma'am, the relation is same, that is m equals to the power n.
Where n is the number of
Number of
lines and m is the number of selection lines.
output lines, which are select lines, correct. So I am going to present my screen and one second. Since we have just recently done this multiplexer, so I'll show you directly from the simulation. Everyone is my screen visible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is just like a recap where they have given an example of 4:1 multiplexer. That means there are 4 input lines, which makes 2 output lines and 2 select lines and 1 output line. So if my S0, S1, if these are 0, 0, then which line becomes active? If my S0 is 0, yeah, D0 becomes active, so my output is automatically whatever input I feed from the D0 line, that will be directed as the output. Similarly, if my S0, S1 is 1, 1, then my D3 line becomes active, and whatever input I feed from D3, that is redirected to my output. We will not go to the demultiplexer part. Multiplexer truth table is over here, where you can see if these two are active, that means my D0 is switched on. So output D0 money, whatever I feed in the data line D0, that is my output. If my this is 1, 0, that means D2 is active. Any input I feed over here, that I will get as my final output. They have shown an example of 4:1 multiplexer. Anyone has any doubts in multiplexer, anything? I mean, I am just giving a very brief overview because I've already taught in details. Anyone wants me to go in depth and explain?
No, ma'am, it's fine.
Ma'am, we'll consider S0 in LSB and S1 in MSB, right?
Whatever I've taught in class, don't get confused. Follow one convention, because what will happen is next time if an exam comes, you all will get confused. Follow the convention which I have taught in class. It will be easier for you also and for me also. So coming to the simulation part. So here we have a NOT gate, AND gate. There are 2 AND gates and an OR gate. We switch on the power supply. Suppose I want to give D0 as my input line. So I switch on the D0 line and I feed 0, 0 over here. Right? Next, when I click on add, what is my out? Oh, sorry. I did. It should be 0, 0. Let me. Okay. Ignore the first line, please. So S0 is 0, S1 is 0, and I have activated my D0 line. My output value is 1. That means when output value is 1 money, whatever I pass in through my D0, that D0 is 1 money, D0 is high. The input, the data line D0, that is high. Next, if I switch on D1, D1 money 0, 1, 0, 1. Next, when I click on add, my D1 line is high. Similarly, if I switch on my D3 and I have to select both the S0 and S1 as high, so here I get my D3 line as high. Is it clear to everyone? You have to decide which data line you want to activate. Accordingly, you have to feed that input to the select line, and then that will come across as the final output of the multiplexer. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who will understand? No? Everyone has understood? So this was your multiplexer. I think पीयू और कुछ बोलना है क्या मल्टीप्लेक्सर में?
No. Now, if you have any doubt, you can ask. I can.
पीयू आवाज बहुत ब्रेक कर रहा है तुम्हारा, फिर से कहो.
Yes, if you have any doubt, students, you can ask Aisha ma'am. Regarding ICs, you can also ask. Okay, because some of the lateral students have not attended the initial classes. So if you have any doubt other than those also, you can ask.
Yeah, other than multiplexer and decoder, if you have any other doubts.
Yes, regarding IC.
We have very briefly explained decoder and multiplexer because I had already talked to you in class and I had told the same to PU ma'am. So I told her it's already done. So we did not go into much depth because it was not required. Still, nonetheless, if you feel you are stuck in some point, you can always ask us. No questions?
I think there is no doubt.
Yeah.
Might be the full thing is doubt. Acha, okay. Aisha, we can ask Shagorda to stop the recording then.
हाँ, Shagorda attendance लेके he can stop the recording.
Oh yes, yes.
ঠিক আছে,
ঠিক আছে. Students, you have to make the today's assignment. Aisha, link है क्या?
Moodle में Moodle में हम अभी क्रिएट किए नहीं, हम कर देते हैं अभी.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
हम करके एक बार व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में बता देंगे.
और ओके, हम वो लिंक सब पोस्ट कर देते हैं ग्रुप में भी.
हाँ, ठीक है. If